Hi there, today we're going to learn how to use the double and float data type in C++. So, first of all, we're gonna add hashtag into the stream. So, that's what we mentioned in the previous video, and using namespace is needed for the standard character output and input, and this will play a bigger role in integer main, so that's where our program runs. And first of all, in defining or declaring a variable, so we're gonna use, in this time we're gonna use float, so we're gonna add float, so that's what defining a data type is, and equals, so we're gonna need to use the variable, so let's try to float, let's try to name this float now. So we define a variable here, and we're gonna define what the value of the variable, so let's say at 1.3. So float basically is inputting or getting a decimal value. So the float has capacity of getting a decimal. So double also can do that. So let's write a variable name. So data type double, and try to add this name double num. So equal, so let's type one, add also 1.3. So we define two variables, float num and double num. So this is basically same role or same process of defining a variable. So let's try to output this. See out and less than sign here, double less than sign. And also don't forget to add semicolon in after you define a variable. So it's important to remember to add a semicolon. So if you add float, and less than and float them, so you can use this float now, just store now. So that's the name of our variable, and just write that and so enter is new line and semicolon. So don't forget semicolon. And let's just copy paste this thing, and we're gonna use double, okay, and double num again. Just like this. Double, and let's see what will be the rest of this. So as you can see, it stores double 1.3 and float also 1.3. So if you use the integer just to add this, so integer num 1.3, and let's write out this integer. Let's see what will happen. So integer and int, so sorry. So don't forget to use semicolon. As you can see, int will be rounded as 1, so 1.3 will be rounded as 1. So because the integer only accepts integer values, while the double accepts decimal value and float accepts also decimal values. So what's the difference between float and double? So the difference of float and double is float basically accepts less than double, so double has more capacity of accepting more values. So that's a different thing. So basically double has more capacity than float. So if you want to add more numbers, just put here and 0.5 here. You can also use this just 5 or just putting an integer also will also work. So that's 5 also uses 5 and 5.3, 151 and 1, so it's down. So as you can see, that's how to use float and double variable. And let's try to have an input. So let's start with this thing. So cin, so cin is standard character input. So this will basically input we have input to the user. So let's try to add this float. So we're gonna ask the user to to input some numbers in the float. So float will change its number when the user inputted its number. So let's prompt the user again. So, type a decimal point number. And semicolon. Type a decimal number. And we're gonna output the type a decimal number, and the user will gonna input this float number. And let's start to output again this float number. So output, so less than 10. If you are outputting, we're gonna use less than 10, and if you are inputting, you're gonna use greater than sign, double. And your number. So we're gonna add this float num using less than sign and variable. So let's add this thing. Type a decimal number is 3, and your number is 3. So let's try to try another 1.2. Also, this also works. So as you can see, and if you input a larger number, so let's try to 1.23 and 4.5. So it also will work. So let's try to use this double. Let's try to use this double number variable. So this is a double, so it will have a capacity of larger numbers. So you add 1.456789 and also works. So and also remember, in defining a variable, you must not add a number on the first name of your variable. So if we run this will have caused an error. So don't use a number on the first letter of the name of your variable. But if we use undefinited, this will also not work. So we're gonna need to add here. So that's way in defining a variable. So that's this, and that will work also. And if you put this in the middle, double one, and will work. But if you don't, but if you use this, the numbers on the first letter of your variable name, that will not work. So that's important to remember, that you must not add any numbers on the first letter of your variable name. So that's how to use the variables and float and double. So see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot in this C++ tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Now that you have learned how to use the float variable, what about how to use jar data type? Find out with this video, or learn more how to use the string with this video.